Hello guys, let's look at this question. Both lithium and magnesium display several similar properties due to the diagonal relationship they have. However, one which is incorrect is. So the correct answer to this question is both form basic carbonate, that is option 3. That is because both Li and Mg combine directly with N2 to give nitrates Li3N and Mg3N2, Li3N and Mg3N2. Bicarbonates of Li and Mg are more soluble in water than carbonates, whereas carbonates of alkali metals are more soluble. So the equation hydroxide and nitrates of both Li and Mg decompose on heating to give oxides. So the equation will be something like this: LiNO3 when heated forms Li2O plus NO2 plus O2, and for magnesium MgNO3 whole twice under heat gives MgO plus NO2 plus O2. So magnesium always forms basic carbonates while lithium forms normal carbonates. It does not form basic carbonates. That is option 3 is the correct answer.